Live life golden, yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can never break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Hey you guys, so today's video is interesting. Today's video is Meet Mr. Turtle. Oh my gosh, his eyes are so creepy. Oh, they was closed the whole time. Okay. He thinks it's underwater. He will follow the camera, guys. So this is not my turtle. He wants my feet. Look, he wants my feet so that yeah, look. He wants, why do you like feet? He loves feet. And he cannot get out no more because he poops all over the carpet and floor. He pooped in the kitchen. He pooped on the carpet over there. It's ridiculous. And his poop stink. This is Mr. Turtle. But this is my aunt's turtle. We're just keeping him. But meet Mr. Fish. This is our fish. Or this is my brother's fish. Remember I showed you guys in the vlog? He's an algae eater fish, so he doesn't really, isn't really active like a fish. I don't know if he's a, oh my god, that scared me. I don't know if he's a fish. He is a fish. Because I don't know, but he is a fish though. But, this is Mr. Turtle, guys. And also, you guys see that? That, okay. That is why in most of my videos you hear, I'm sorry if y'all didn't hear me at that last part, but that's why in most of my videos you hear that water. This is that water. That's the water. So if you hear that and most of, not most, but if you hear that in some of my videos, that's what it is, okay? But I'm trying to get to my phone. I'm not going to do this video. But yeah, guys, that's not my turtle, but that's Meet Mr. Turtle, This is Rady. Okay, sorry. But see y'all. Say bye, Mr. Turtle. Get from underwater. Come back up. Hold on. Say bye, Mr. Turtle. Where is he trying to go? That's what I'm wondering. This lady is irritating. Okay. Well, bye guys. Oh, there. This is my. This is my new pajama sets from Marshalls. But Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Peace.
When I drop, yeah, I they hung